What is up, guys? On this episode of Chasing Classics, we're headed to New Jersey looking at a 70 Mustang Fastback. It's got a 351 4-speed, yellow color. Guy totally redid the car. He wants a pretty decent amount of money for it, but it seems like it's a real nice car, so hopefully we can go there and buy the car and make a deal happen. We will see you when we get there. Let's go. How you doing? I'm Rob.
Charles.
Is it cool if I record this?
My father did. Yeah, how are you?
Good. Good. How are you?
Good. Chris, nice to meet you.
I'm Rob. Nice to meet you.
Joe.
Cool.
I'm Chris.
That's how he knew to call you guys.
Is it okay if I record this, guys?
That's cool.
You guys cool?
I don't
being on
care.
camera? Cool.
But yeah, I follow you guys on Instagram and stuff.
Okay, cool.
So that's how I don't live that far from you a lot.
Okay.
So I was like, oh, he was talking about he's got bad knees.
Yeah.
So he's like, I told you about
Knees,
son. I was
now
like, you should call
surgery
these
on my
guys up.
thigh.
They're into Mustangs.
Very
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So how long have you guys owned it for?
Oh, too long.
Long time.
Yeah.
Took 9 years to restore.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well,
so,
2 bad knees.
Yeah.
Guess I got zippers.
I tore my ACL, blew it out.
Did you?
Yeah, 2 years ago I was playing basketball, completely tore the ACL, MCL, PCL, and my meniscus. I went for surgery, and then my heart went into AFib from the nerve block. So I couldn't get surgery done.
Yep.
I still never repaired
Oh
it.
man.
Oh no.
Yeah, so my basketball days are over, and
Yeah.
I'm just rehabbing it now. I may do the surgery, I may not, because I could still run. I just can't pivot.
Yeah.
So can you guys tell us what you guys have done to the car?
So.
What haven't you done?
What haven't we done? Yeah, so the car, it's this original color. I repainted it. In fact, I repainted it right where it's sitting. Motor's rebuilt. It's got a
Wait, you
4-speed top loader.
repainted it right where it's sitting?
Right where it's
Yeah,
sitting,
that
right
car was painted right there.
Holy.
there. I mean, we tarped the whole garage.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah, we did all the
but it's got a rebuilt motor. It's got a 4-speed top loader.
Hurst shifter,
With a Hurst shifter. It's got disc brakes in the front that are all redone.
power steering.
Power steering. It's got the blinker hood. I mean, we've kind of gone over the whole car.
Car was stripped down to bare metal.
Yeah. The back seat, I think, is the original upholstery, but the front 2 seats have
No,
been
no, no,
reupholstered?
no. It's all new upholstery.
Oh, you reupholstered the back seat
I
too?
did
Okay, I didn't
everything.
realize that.
Headliner, seats, foam,
Carpet.
dash, carpet, everything.
Well, when you guys took it down to bare metal, was there any Bondo on the car?
There were a lot of rot.
Okay.
We cut all the rot out.
Okay. You put new sheet metal
All
in?
new sheet metal in.
Nice. Yeah, that's the way to go.
So,
Got new chrome, new tail lights, Magnum 500 wheels, sports mirrors,
come on,
hood
see it.
tech. Take a look.
So you guys took care of it then?
Oh yeah.
Sure.
Where'd you guys pull it out of?
We got it off of Craigslist in Jersey, in South Jersey.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's originally a 302 car.
Okay.
It's got a 351 Windsor in it right now.
Okay.
So it's date correct, but not numbers matching.
We were running it this morning.
Yeah, I feel it.
It's got the Optima battery.
Yeah.
Here, let me put some more
It's
light
got the
on.
hood tack too, which is kind of rare.
Yeah, that's what he was telling me. But you guys put that on. It wasn't an original car. You have the Marty report with it?
I don't have the
No.
Mario River?
No.
No.
No, the hood-
It was a dealer option that we found at NOS one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we start it?
Sure.
Keys are inside?
No,
You want to start it? Yeah.
it's up to
You
you.
can fire it up for us.
I've never even driven the thing.
Really?
He's never driven it.
I mean,
I don't drive.
you do paint work for a living?
No, there are some paint nibs that.
No, I
come
see
out of
it, but I mean, for doing it in the garage.
Yeah.
Usually, when you first said I did it in the garage, I was like, "Oh, this paint's gonna be bad," but it does not look bad at all.
It's actually, and it's 2-3 years old. Yeah. How long would I paint it?
A couple years ago.
72
It's,
years old.
Sherwin-Williams. They had the original code in their computer, so we got the original color from Sherwin-Williams.
Wow.
So it's competition yellow.
That's cool. What made you guys go with the Windsor instead of the Cleveland?
It's what we were able to get.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you guys pull it out of?
The car was missing the motor when we bought it. It was originally a 3-speed car, and the motor was gone. and we just happened across this one on Craigslist that was rebuilt already. So.
I love the steering wheel.
You like the wood steering wheel?
Yes, I do.
The factory ones are like too thin.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like modern cars have that thicker feel,
Yeah.
so he wasn't. It just didn't feel right driving. He wanted a thicker feel.
Oh, I prefer that one.
Yeah.
And the mileage on the odometer is the actual mileage on this car.
Wow. You got insurance on it and everything?
I have, oh yeah.
You want to take me for a drive in it?
Yeah, I want to show you in the trunk.
When's the last time you guys started it like normally? Not today, but I mean just in general.
About 10 days ago or so.
Okay.
Here's all the receipts,
Oh wow. So all documented.
all documented.
Yeah, it's a lot of receipts.
Here's the original paint. There's still some paint in there if you need it. And this is the antifreeze,
So it's got the waterless antifreeze.
waterless antifreeze.
Really?
And it's
cool.
good.
Yeah.
It's good stuff. So I'll give you
Okay.
what was left. New spare, jack, all new fuel tank. Everything is new
I
underneath.
looked under. It looks good.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to pull it out of the garage.
Yeah, you guys go for what?
You guys clear me or should I move?
No, move it.
Yeah, you probably
Okay,
don't.
keys.
Cool.
Keep up.
You ain't going that fast, are you?
Oh yeah, a 90 at least.
No.
Slowest I can go. Yeah, pull it slow.
What made you do this Mustang out of all cars?
I liked it. I liked the Camaros too, but he and I were looking, and this is what we found.
You're good on my side.
I can see what's on this side. Can't really tell.
You're good on both sides. Nice and smooth.
Yeah. The transmission was serviced. All new bearings, new seals, everything was going through. It's got a new Hurst shifter, and all the linkage is new.
And I think that's pretty cool, that option there.
Oh yeah, I love that. Well, that's why originally I was looking for an instrument cluster that had the tack in the dash, and they're hard to come by. They're like $1,300 bucks.
Oh yeah.
So when I saw this, I traveled across the state of Pennsylvania to get that.
Where was that picked out of?
That was on a guy's shelf for 50 years. He had a Ford Ranchero. He bought this to put on it. 2 weeks later, he blew the motor up.
Wow.
And so he put this on the shelf. And when he was he was a businessman, and I guess he was retiring, and he had one of his colleagues come over to his garage and to help him sell off what he had. And he had this hood tack in its original box, all the hardware, instructions, everything. And so like I said, I traveled halfway across Pennsylvania to get that.
Are you able to go around back the other
Yeah.
way? Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Perfect. That's cool. You guys had fun with this car. It seems like you and your son put it together and...
Well, actually, my other two sons as well.
Oh, okay.
One's electrical engineer, and one is very detail oriented, and he helped me too.
This definitely looks like a solid driver. This would make a good car for somebody that wants to get in it and drive it and enjoy it.
Yeah, yeah.
You ain't got to worry about scratches. You know what I mean?
Like I said, with my knee shifting, it hits here and it hits here.
Okay.
And I'm to the point now that I got a bad thumb, that's as far as it'll go.
Wow.
I'm going to have surgery on this coming up very soon. So it's time I move on.
How long did it take you guys to do this build?
Probably 8 or 9 years.
Oh,
Little by little. Like
Yeah.
I said, I've had 2 different knee operations
in between?
in between. So I was like laid up for quite a while. Radio works, that's the original radio. Heater works, horn works. Only thing not working is the clock, but the light works. And that is a rare clock. Because, I mean, you see the Mach 1s with the round, or you see them with no clock at all. Very
That's a
rarely.
square, yeah, the square clock.
Yeah. All the gauges work. Third signals work here on the dash and up there.
It's good up to speed for sure. I don't hear any noises or anything.
Oh yeah, it runs good. It's got the fold down rear seat option and the pass through into the trunk. I'd say the whole interior was redone.
Headliner, yeah.
Yep.
And you guys are at what on price on this car?
We were asking 40,
Okay.
but everything's negotiable. You give us a minute, we'll go inside and chat.
Absolutely.
Okay.
All right, guys, so we're here in Delran. We just closed a deal with our client on the 70 Mustang Fastback. Father and son project. They redid the whole car together. It took them around 9 years to complete the project. He was having problems with his legs, so they unfortunately decided to sell it. We bought it. We came up with a good deal with them. I'm happy that we bought the car. It's definitely driver quality. It's not a show car, guys, but it's something you get in, you go, you have fun with it, you enjoy it. It's something you don't have to worry about it getting scratched up. It's in pretty good condition overall, I would say. Not showroom, but definitely driver quality. Under the hood, we got 351 Windsor, power steering, power front disc brakes. Got the buck tag right here. And then on the inside, the interior was redone. It's got 4-speed manual transmission, top loader, beautiful wood steering wheel. Definitely a driver's quality car, guys. If this is something you're interested in, please give me a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Glad we were able to put a deal together. We will post this next week. You will see it up. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. If you like this episode, please hit the like button, subscribe. We will see you guys later.